Good morning, animal friends. It is Wednesday morning, and we're going out this morning. And we have a few pickups to do, and it's a beautiful, beautiful morning. And yeah, it's just gorgeous out. But anyways, wishing you all a very, very beautiful day, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, good morning. We're at our first stop. And look at all the little stuff we have here. What do we have? We have, a bunch of nails and, I don't know. Oh, that's, some doorknobs and lots of little odds and sods stuff. This is really, really cool. Okay, thank you for that. Thank you. Okay, we're at stop number 2 and, okay, we have some stuff here. We have a pole. And we have a chain. And what's in these boxes here? What's in the boxes? Rotors. Okay, I guess that's good stuff.
That's good.
Hey, little one, hello. Hi, aren't you just so cute? Hello. How are you? Hi. Hello. Oh, my goodness me. You guys are going to get a cookie. You're going to get a cookie.
Look what I got. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
nice. And that's for you.
Oh, thank you.
So we're at our next stop. Ron's gone to get some stuff. It's actually, it's quite a bit of stuff, I think, over there. And so we found an extra barbecue. And we found some other stuff on our pickup. So, okay. What, Ron? Oh, he has to back in. Oh, here we go. Very, very nice. Very nice. Hello. Hello. Hi. 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 It's just me. It's just me coming to say hello. Chevy, my goodness, you really are growing. When are you going to stop growing? You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Bye.